up, party people? James Hamilton here, Resurva Art Factory. Woo. Okay, high key mono. This is the type of shot I need from people to make my life super easy when I'm doing art for people, because it eliminates 10, 20 minutes of work to get somebody some cool art. So basically what you need to do, take a photo of yourself in a decently lit area and use the high key mono option on the iPhone. And that can be found in the camera app, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So let me log in to my iPhone SE. It's a feature that's available on any iPhone that's newer than iPhone X. And essentially what you do is you just go to portrait mode. Essentially, I mean, what you do actually is go to portrait mode and choose the high key mono option. You'll see that there's these boxes here, and the very last option, if you've got it, is high key light mono. Usually, or on anything that's older than an iPhone X or iPhone 8, you're going to be limited to stage light mono, which puts you in front of a black background. But the high key mono option here is what will get you put on in front of a white background, which can still be edited because it's all done software side. So if you got access to a friend, a partner, they can take your portrait for you. If you're at home on your own, you can set up the phone, put it on a shelf, put it against a pillow, and basically use the timer option to get yourself composed and take a portrait of yourself. But what I can do here is if I hold this phone up, I've changed the camera to point to my face, so I'm in selfie mode, or actually I wasn't, but I am now. I'm going to take a real nice photo of myself. I mean, you can change your angles, and getting those like different angles gives the drama to the shot. But I'll look in, give myself a classic smiley portrait, and the software does a pretty amazing job. Like, if I look right here, I'm really well cut out, and that is perfect for me to do my dealio with my art style, so that I can turn a portrait like this into something like this, or this, or this, or this. So yeah, that's how you do it on the iPhone. Remember, you got to go to the camera app, then you changed it from photo mode to portrait mode, and you just use the slider to scroll from the natural view all the way over to high key light mono, and either yourself or a partner in crime takes that photo for you. And that, my friends, is how you do information superhighway portrait and get it all set up so that you can send it over to me when I'm doing Resurva Art Factory online, either on RPan, on Instagram, on my YouTube posts when I get to them, or the art strikes I've got planned, which I'll be raising money for rad charities that are doing good work, either in my local community, which is Toronto, or places around the world. Generally, they'll be art focused, but I'm just going to pick and choose people that are doing good stuff, help raise awareness, help raise some cash, and help me get my art on, because I really miss doing this stuff. So thanks for watching. I'm James. This is the Resurva Art Factory, and this is how you do a high key light mono shot on your iPhone so that I don't have to cut it out in Photoshop. Peace. Thanks. Bye.